Howdy folks. Yep, so we're trucking along. I got pretty much all the walls done. Over this whole project, there's some parts of it I'm looking forward to very much that I will take a great deal of fulfillment out of completing, thinking about how I can do it, how I can make it lovely, and I'm looking forward to those parts. There's some parts that just have to do, you just have to get done, and but they're whatever. And there's some parts that I absolutely fucking dread, and some of those more than others. Number 2 is sanding drywall. I hate sanding drywall. I got sanding drywall over your head. I hate that bit, and there's a lot of it in here to do. But way in front of that, the thing I dread the most is tearing off the ceiling full of insulation, bat poop laden hell raining down on top of me. That's the part I've been dreading more than anything else, and that day is today.
I am in a world of shit.
Just to give you the briefest idea, it looks like that a little bit. But imagine that, but about a foot thicker and everywhere. Alright, if you're in a similar situation, I cannot stress enough the importance of PPE in this situation. Bat poop has toxins in it that can make you go blind, can get in your respiratory system and make you dead. All those things are bad. Also, insulation's got fiberglass in it, and that's not very nice. It gets all on your flesh and itchy, and it's just not fun. If you do get insulation on your skin, it's not a big deal as long as it doesn't have the poo in it. But just a quick note, take a cold shower, because a hot shower opens your pores up and gets the little fiberglass fibers in your skin, and you're itching for days. But anyway, yeah, safety is no joke. I like to make jokes, but I'm not making jokes about safety, because it's the real deal. Aww. Basically, when you got a big shit sandwich you gotta eat, the best thing to do is just hunker down and just start chomping away at it. So that's pretty much what this is. Yeah, it's pretty gross. I'm trying to get as much work from the trash chute away, just so it's, because you gotta sweep about 50 times, so it just kind of made sense to me. Dark up here now, but I don't even get to see that. See how disgusting the wood is? That's where, on the outside I know bats were coming in there, but you can tell, if you think you have a bat problem or whatever, you can tell by their disgusting little bodies where they come in and out of. But I will say the dust control, the little cover there, really worked a charm. All this mess, and there was pretty much nothing in on the floor below, just other than what came when the door got opened. Yeah, so I was pretty pleased with that bit. I should have kept going, but I had to tap out. It's about 5, 6. Pulling that shit down on your face, like it's not fun. It gets all up in your, like it's around the goggles. You can kind of wipe the goggle off, sort of see a little bit, but you can see like my whole face is, ugh, dude. But I feel pretty good about it. I started at 8, went to 5, and I think like I got about 2/3 of it done. So I already downed in the laundry room and the one bedroom and half the other bedroom. So I don't know. I gotta get done by Saturday. Otherwise, they're gonna take the. I got a flight. I gotta go out of town. I might make a video while I'm gone, or I might not. I don't know. Depends on if I like you guys. It just depends on what mood I'm in, I guess. But anyway, so yeah, I had to go gangbusters until the trailers. Well, I still got the dumpster out there. I can't even think, dude. My whole head feels like it's in a barrel. I've been living inside of this little zone right here all day long, and I didn't really drink enough water because I didn't want to like take the thing off and then you get I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna take it easy and then I'm gonna go back at it tomorrow.